say my Liberian chamona for fun. I said it, boyfriend and girlfriend, they baby, they new kunu, they bit that sweet, been enough around, yeah. I said my woman been enough for fun.
Hi family, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time of the day you're watching this. Melida here. So in today's video, I'm back with my personal model, Sophia. She's putting on lip gloss, guys. Anyways, yeah, I've been doing this hairstyle on her hair for a while now and I love it. I live for it. It's easy, simple, pretty protective styling. So I thought to share with you guys, just in case you have your little girl or you have your niece, you need to do her hair, figure out something, share our hairstyle with you, or you just enjoy watching us. I hope you do. These are the rubber bands I'm gonna be using. Okay, aren't they pretty? This is our oil mix in here. I mixed this oil a while ago. Mix it again for you guys to see once this one finished, but I'm gonna be putting that in her hair as we go. Her hair is already moist, but I love to really like drench oil in there. And this, we have oil in this bottle that we just put in our hair. As the week go by, I will be going in with some styling cream as we go, as needed, of course. And this is the Cantu coiling cream. All right, and I have my trusty Shine and Jam, okay, for those edges.
Yeah, but the Shine and Jam helps.
It does help, yes. Okay. And I have water in the spray bottle for when I need it. Okay.
Water when she needs it.
This is the comb I use the most.
Well,
and
what's really so funny?
a wide tooth comb. Okay. So we washed our hair a day or two ago, and this is how I stretch my hair and her hair by putting it in
Mom did a triangle hair.
thread. Triangle hair. Can you turn around? By putting it in thread. Okay. Now I'm gonna start with a section. I love working in section. It really does make working easy. Easy, I'm telling you.
What's the rest of your video?
What happened?
What about the rest of the video?
What happened to it?
The video was finished.
What happened?
I said Mama can stop. And her clothes are gonna come on 16 minutes and okay. That's better than kinda 5 years old.
The bunny is 5 years old?
Yeah, I need to buy her a unicorn watch. And maybe we'll just go away from her. Make it 12.
I see. Careful, 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 careful. Don't do that again, please. Okay, so no, it is not tight. It can breathe. I'm not pulling on her edges. I know the importance of edges. All right, so what I'm gonna do with this one is braid it up. Now I'm gonna split this side open like so. Take this piece, lay it in between. So I'm just gonna use one of my hair clips and hold it, and then get a rubber band. Braid them two together.
I know exactly where I'm going, and get closer, closer everywhere. I'm almost there, almost there. People here come away, but I don't care. Try, there's no way to make them happy. All depends on you. I work hard each and every day. I pick the shore that come my way. Just doing what I do. Look out for so I come through. I'm almost there. Almost there. People competing everywhere. I'm almost there. love it. It's like the same thing as you. Put it back, put it back.